welcome back everybody to Dash of Glam. If you're new, I'm your girl Dasha, and like I said, welcome to Dash of Glam. So today I'm gonna do the part 2 video on how I get my brows done. And as I said in the part 1, that I would do it with, not with the pencil, but with the pomade, whatever they call it. But you'll know what I'm talking about, right? You'll know. Let me show you guys what it looks like. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So, you know, it's in the shade dark brown. Let's get started. I will just dip my brush into the pomade. I think it's pomade. So I'm gonna dip it in the pomade and you know. Oh, first let's come out our brow. So we'll go in with our spoolie. Yes guys, I know I have no brows, but you know, that's why we have things like these. But I prefer my pencils. Honestly, I prefer my pencils. This pomade whole thingy, to me it's just too much, like, you know, too much, just, you know, complicated and stuff. No. So mama prefers her pencils. Okay, so I'm just doing this. I have this actually, you know, I just don't really use it. It's not like a to-go thing for me, but I decided to do a tutorial on how I get my brows done, and it wasn't fair to me to do it only with pencil when I know some people actually do it with this. So you know, I said like, what the heck, let's do it, you know. So we're going to do it. So let's, you know, line that brow. Let me put the camera on here so you guys could see what I'm actually doing. So, yeah. It's just the, like, you know, melted pencil thingy. Oh, I don't know. I don't like the consistency to me, like, you know, I don't know, but I prefer my pencils too. Like, you know, I just prefer my pencils. And guys, don't go in with too much of the product, because you want your brows to look very real and not like you just drew it on this morning or stuff, you know, like, no, you want it to look very real. So like, we'll just apply more hair to give it that bold finished look, and then let's go to the other side. Shift the mirror so you guys could see later. So you want it to look real as possible, as I said. So now we're going to go in with our concealer and conceal those brows. We're going to conceal those brows. So And you'll know, I always tell you guys, always take your time when you're doing these things. You don't gotta rush anything. Just take your time and get the job done well. You know, I like it already. Like, ooh. Let's do the other side. I'm making you guys see what I'm doing. I'm gonna put the mirror on this side so that you guys could see. And I'm going to do a review on this product for you guys, because a lot of people actually been saying that when they use this, it's like their brows their brow lasts longer. So I'm not sure, so I'm just gonna do a review on this, and I will let you guys know whether my brows stayed long, you know, or something. Lasted longer, if it lasted longer. So now we're going to go in with our angle brush and blend out everything. I like to gently smudge it with some concealer from the middle here, so it will look like, you know, that kind of fading effect, like, you know. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender and just, you know, smooth everything out. All that concealer. And then this is the finishing look. So this is my brow. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it, enjoyed watching it and such. I hope you give this video a thumbs up, and like I always say, don't be shy, you know. Comment down something below, you know, whether it's a suggestion, idea, or anything. Comment down below, and don't forget to press that subscribe button if you haven't, and the little bell thingy, so you guys will know exactly when I'm posting and stuff. Okay, yeah. So thanks for watching again, and I love you guys. Bye.